Earn 20% commission as an affiliate just by referring others through your link. Welcome to Crequity.ai. In this video, I'll walk you through becoming an affiliate, and here is how to sign up to start earning. Once you are on the page, click on Become a Partner. If you're a returning affiliate, click Affiliate Login. If not, click on Apply to become an affiliate. You will need to enter your basic information. Start with your first name, last name, then enter your email address. Next, your company name and phone number. Now select your affiliate segment. You will see a few options here. Choose the one that best describes you. Then click the small checkbox that confirms you agree to the terms and conditions. Once everything is filled out, submit your application, and just like that, your account has been successfully submitted. You are now ready to start earning as an affiliate with a few more steps. Go to your email and see the next instructions. As you await approvals, your review will be within 24 hours, so ensure to go back to check your email inbox to receive your portal link, email, and temporary password. Please note, you can change your password after logging in. Welcome to your dashboard. This is your affiliate link, and you can share it to your email list, Facebook community, X, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Thread, and any platform you want to share them with. You can always check your stats and metrics here to know the number of clicks, shares, and referrals you've got. Also, track your commissions and earnings here, your rewards, activities, assets, etc. here. And that's it. You are on your way to earning your first $20 just by sharing your affiliate link.